Introducing BizzTech's Agentic AI. Meet HAL8122, BizzTech's cognitive AI agent, bridging virtual worlds and real-time decisions in one unified control system. HAL listens, sees, and understands. It deciphers voice, text, and visuals, adapting instantly to your commands and environment. In smart cities, HAL operates behind the scenes, optimizing mobility, safety, and infrastructure through intelligent orchestration. From factories to smart offices, HAL connects to devices, systems, and sensors, commanding workflows and automating operations. In immersive training and education, HAL adapts content in real time, delivering personalized, voice-activated learning experiences. In critical missions, HAL delivers precision, synthesizing data, guiding response teams, and predicting outcomes before they unfold. No downloads, no friction. HAL streams intelligence to any browser, controlling assets across virtual and physical domains. Let me show you how HAL can enhance the experience of visitors to your company's website. Hi HAL, what can BizzTech do for our industrial operations? Give a short answer, please.
BizzTech can revolutionize your industrial operations by creating a digital twin of your facilities. This allows for real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and optimization of manufacturing processes using AI. With BizzTech, you can enhance efficiency, safety, and supply chain management, all while staying compliant with industry standards.
We need to reduce downtime and improve team training. Can you help?
Absolutely. BizzTech can reduce downtime by using AI to predict and prevent maintenance issues before they occur. With fully immersive and interactive 3D environments, BizzTech provides realistic training simulations, enabling your team to practice handling complex scenarios safely. This enhances their skills, reduces errors, and ultimately leads to more efficient operations.
We have international teams. Can you work in different languages?
Yes, I can respond in multiple languages. BizzTech's platform supports multilingual interactions, making it easier for international teams to engage with the system. This ensures seamless communication and efficient collaboration across diverse languages and regions.
That's impressive. Can you do more than just advise us?
Certainly, BizzTech's Agentic AI can autonomously manage operations, simulate outcomes, and coordinate across domains. It can proactively make decisions, manage workflows, and even trigger real-world actions. Whether it's optimizing manufacturing lines, managing supply chains, or enhancing training programs, BizzTech's AI is designed for active and intelligent engagement.
That's exactly what we need. Can you prepare a tailored integration plan for our sites?
I'm glad to hear that you're interested in a tailored integration plan. To get started, I'll need some contact information from you. Could you please provide either an email address or phone number so our team can reach out to you with a customized solution?
My email address is lisa@wonderful.com.
Thank you, Lisa. I'll proceed with sending your information to our team to prepare a tailored integration plan for your sites. They will contact you via email at lisa@wonderful.com to discuss your needs in more detail.
HAL8122, an autonomous AI presence that doesn't just respond. It thinks, evolves, and leads. The future of smart interaction starts here. We are BizzTech, and we'd love to hear from you.